Hi everyone, welcome to For the Geeks. So in this video, I will discuss about ChatGPT. So how you can use ChatGPT in your day-to-day, circumstances. How you can use its artificial intelligence power to solve your issues. So this video is focused mainly on those who haven't used ChatGPT yet. Of course, there's high probability that you would have heard about the term in itself, right? So because that's kind of the buzz right now. But yeah, I mean, if you're just wondering how you can start using it for your own good, you this video will focus on that. So what I understand is ChatGPT is still an evolving model, and things may change, or I won't say may, but will change. With every release of the version of ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, what will normally happen is that you will probably start using ChatGPT more than compared to Google. Because with Google, when you do a search, what happens is that it will give you a list of results, and then you will have to go on your own and then find something that suits you. Of course, that is great, but with ChatGPT, it goes a step further, and if you ask a question, it will go through all the links and internally whatever it does, and then give you the answer like a friend or like your mentor or like your colleague who really wants to help you. So it is more or like you can reach out to ChatGPT and get assistance from it. Of course, it is still evolving, so whatever it says, you might have to cross check and cross verify a bit, but that's the idea behind it. So to start with ChatGPT, obviously you will have to go in here and get to their website. So when you get to ChatGPT, you can log in or sign up like any other website. So if you haven't signed up already, you will have to sign up. In my case, I already signed up, so I will log in directly. So when you sign up, it will ask you a few more questions. You can just sign up and then start using ChatGPT. So this is a screen after logging in. It says some examples what you can use, like explain quantum computing in simple terms and all these things. There are certain limitations it talks about. So this is examples, capabilities, and limitations provided by them. Down here you can see what I have logged in with, and here you can clear conversations, and here there is this logout button. So yes, and on the top you can categorize and separate out things. For instance, I can create new chat, right? And I can say, okay, give me a sample resume for a sales agent, right? So this is just a dummy thing. I'm just want to create a sample resume for this. So what it will do here is it will give you a resume, so you can see how quickly it creates that. Obviously you have to read through it and fit in your details, whatever is more suitable for you. So if you want, you can stop generating now if you think it is going well beyond what you thought, or if it doesn't suit you. So yeah, so you can say, okay, about looks good, but can you tweak uh, about resume for me? I have experience of 5 years as a sales representative in say ABC company, right? And 2 years of experience in XYZ company as a sales manager. And maybe also say year 2016 to 21 and 2 years of experience in XYZ as a sales and manager, year 2021, sorry, 21 to present, right? So let's see what it does now. So it creates the resume now, and it will probably tweak the skeleton resume whatever it created above, and it will try to yeah, I mean it will squeeze in your experience in here. So sales year, okay, didn't get this point correctly, but you might have to go and update that, and even it didn't get this correctly. But things other than this, it has added certain points for a sales manager. Probably, it is the sales manager normal JD, like job description. So these are the certain points. So you can take this as a base and then modify it as per your requirement. For instance, now if you feel that okay, this is quite big, right? I can say, okay, can you shorten above resume for me? So I just created a spelling mistake as well intentionally, and I assume that ChatGPT would be intelligent enough to understand that. So it's created the shortened version of the resume. And the important point is that everything is happening in the same tab. So next time you log in, it still remembers the context, and uh, you can just go ahead and just ask further questions. It remembers the context for you. Now you can see that this resume is much more shorter and crisper than the previous one, and you liked it. Now just imagine, for the sake of it, I want to reword this. So I will say, okay, can you reword this for me? So the same thing, it has reworded it for you, and you can use that, right? And you can also write in your own things, and then suggest or ask ChatGPT to correct it for you. So imagine somewhere here uh, in the objective, I also want to add that I have enough skills and want to join your company. Okay, I'm just saying that. And it's can you fit this in for me in objective? So basically what I'm saying is I want to fit this sentence here, right, in the objective of this. So let's see what it does now. So it's really very fun, and it's really interesting to see how intelligently it answers your questions. So it has now added that you are eager to success in your organization and help revenue growth. So it has tried to squeeze in this particular sentence in the objective part. So good thing is that it has also reworded this and made it much more nicer. So it has added that with a strong proficiency in CRM software and so and so, I'm eager to contribute to the success of your organization and help revenue growth. So objective is a bit bigger. So if you look here, it was a little bit smaller. So it has squeezed in whatever we wanted it to, like this sentence. So that is how you can use ChatGPT. So obviously, like I said, you will have to cross check whatever it says. You cannot just blindly copy it, and obviously, you also have to add your own skills and all, right. I mean, you have to fit in, but it will help you at a very higher level, and obviously it creates answers for you, but you have to cross verify and fit into what your requirements are. And obviously if you want to create entirely different question, you can create, okay, new chat, and ask something else, and maintain a history of that as well. And if you want to clear all the conversations, you can click here and you can click this, or even if you want, you can delete or remove each one. So for instance, hello, right, and it is just creating something here, but on the left you can see that user request NANA, and if you want, you can just delete it. That's all. So delete, uh, click on cross, click on yes, tick mark. So you want to delete it, yes, and it's deleted. So that's how you can use ChatGPT. Obviously, things will change for good. Hopefully, you can start leveraging its capabilities even more. That's it for this video, guys. Hopefully, you liked it. And if you have any queries, do leave it in the comment box below. And if you have any more suggestions as well, you can put it in the comments box below. And your experience with ChatGPT as well. This is how I have been using it currently. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.